So we got this, usually this you use it with one of these hammerjack drills. It's an impact drive. And so it has this for a bigger drill. This is a small one. So it comes with this adapter. As you see, you move it, pull it, and it locks in place. It's locked, and then you tight this in there. So it's in there. So the tips are, one is slightly smaller. So this is just a guide that it helps you get into wood or whatever concrete that you're going in. And this is for larger openings. So when you start drilling, it'll make the hole bigger as you go.
It's gonna split the wood too. That's what it is, for splitting wood. So we're gonna demo it with the hammer drill here on a piece of wood so you guys can see the power of it. See how simple it was? That simple as that. So splitting the wood with the larger one or the short one, same results. So if you want to use this for your campground, or you want to break something that's stuck and you can't take it out, this is the only way. This is simple. It took about 2 seconds.
So if you go camping and you want to split a piece of wood that's huge, a big log, this is a way to go. Battery, you take it and it'll split your wood right away.